Giving a freebie or a free download is literally one of the best ways that you can grow your email list, like we talked about in the video on how to start and grow an email list on this channel. And so I really wanted to show you guys a practical tutorial on how exactly you can create an email like freebie or free download in the free program called Canva. So there will be a link to Canva right below this video if you want to sign up and try it for yourself. And I actually have Canva pulled up on my computer right here. And so I'm going to give you an exact tutorial on exactly how we create these types of like PDFs and workbooks and things like that to give as a free download as an incentive to join the email list. So let's go ahead and jump into it. If you look to your screen now, you'll see that I have Canva pulled up on my computer, and I'm also going to pull up real quick. This is an example of basically our end goal and what we want to do. So it's just like a PDF, something like this, that you can then link or upload into your email marketing software to deliver it when someone signs up for your email list. But basically this is the end goal that we're going to create in Canva. I'm going to show you how to download it, all of that fun stuff. So when you are first initially within Canva, again, it's a completely free program. There are some things you can pay to upgrade for, but you don't have to in order to do this. And so when you're in here, you're simply going to hit the big purple button in the upper right hand corners that says create a design. And from here, you're going to want to find the dimensions that you want your design to be. And this is also how we do, for example, we have a free download called the 2 free Reels cover photo templates, and we linked to those from Canva. So it's also how you can do more of like templates like that to give away as an incentive. If you are curious what that looks like, we'll put a link to those free cover templates right below in the description, so you can like even sign up for the email list if you're curious like how that process looks like, and then you can just link it within Canva. But when you're creating like a PDF, so when you're within here, obviously there's a ton of different options for you, but I'm just gonna go ahead and type in book, and it's gonna hopefully pull up the typical size, 11 by 8.5. That's what I normally do. So if you just click on that, it'll automatically start a design with that, which actually we're going to want to flip it so that it's 8.5 by 11. So we can do that over here, or you can just create the design again and make it 8.5 and 11 instead. So we're gonna go ahead and hit resize right here. Okay, perfect. So now that we have this pulled up, the next step is to simply design it however you want to. So this is where, you can add images. This is where you upload them over here on the left-hand side. You can add different different graphics like this, which is super fun. Canva has so many different ways that you're able to customize different things. You can also add text. If we come over here and go to text, this is where you can add, and you can also in your Canva settings, you can add your brand colors and your text and stuff like that. So it's already like preset in here and makes it really easy to design. But for example, I could click on this and let's just name this 10 Reels Ideas. This is where you can change the size really, really easily. You can even change like the color and different things like that. And so there's just so much like flexibility you have within this to design it literally however you want. Another thing that I want to point out that can be really helpful. So say for example, you want to link like your Instagram handle within your freebie, right? You can also add links. So whenever you are editing within text, you can select wherever you want your link to be, and then you go up here to the link button, and if you click on that, you can literally type in like whatever link that you want. So mine would be instagram.com. Stephanie Ling Case is my Instagram username. And now whenever I save this document as a PDF, it's going to allow users to click on those links and take them to other places if that's something that you want to have within your PDF. All right, and then the next step, once you are done completely like designing whatever you want your PDF or your download, your freebie, template, whatever it is that you're creating, what you're going to want to do is hit the share button in the upper right hand corner, and it gives gives you some different options here. So if you're doing a template or something like that, like something where you want to give others the ability to copy that template to their own account and then be able to edit it or anything like that. So what you're going to do for that, for link sharing, is come down here actually to where it says template link, and you're going to click on that and copy that link, and that's where you would paste that link either within your email marketing system if there's a button or a link that you're adding there that, you know, delivers that freebie to that person. This is where you grab that link. So it's really as simple as that. And then, you know, whoever is using that link, we can go ahead, I'm going to copy it and then I'll paste it into my browser here. Then you can see it comes up as a template that was created, and then you simply hit use template. It's going to copy it over to their account. It's not going to change your original design at all, which is super awesome. But if we go back here, we're going to hit share again. Another way that you can share this is simply hit download, and this is where you have a bunch of different options. Again, if we are doing this more of like an ebook style, PDF, whatever, and we hit where it says file type right here, this is where we can change it to PDF. So what I like to do is PDF standard. That's also going to allow it to be clickable and like include the clickable links. Then you simply hit download right here, and it's going to save it to your computer, which is awesome. And then you're able to, you know, either upload that to your, like I know within Flowdesk, which is the email marketing system I love using, we'll have a link to that right down below if you are super curious about that. But I know within Flowdesk, the automatic like delivery email you can set up, you can actually attach PDFs to that email, which makes it really, really simple. You could also upload this to another program like Google Drive or even your own website files and then link it from there so that whenever they click on the link, like they can download the PDF, read it, all of that fun stuff. So that's essentially how you would create a free download or a PDF within Canva. If you guys have any other questions on email marketing, be sure to let us know. Drop a comment below. We would love to talk more about that on this channel if that's something that you guys are curious about. And again, we have an entire YouTube video on how to start and grow an email list and the basics of that. So if you're someone who's like, wait, like I need to go back to ground zero, I don't know what you're talking about when it comes to freebies and all of that, be sure to watch that video because it's going to give you a really good overview of, you know, why an email list is important, how to start one, and how to start growing your email list. So, but I hope that this more practical tutorial on creating that freebie was super helpful for you and got your wheels turning about some different free downloads and things you could do as a free download as an incentive to give for someone to join your email list. So as always, hit like and subscribe. You know the drill, and we'll see you back here on Tuesday next week with another one. Bye guys.